Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has taken the world by storm: celebrity workout challenges. In recent years, celebrities have been setting fitness trends, sharing their workout routines, and inspiring millions around the world to get fit. So, what exactly are these challenges, and how have they impacted the fitness industry? Let's find out. The rise of celebrity workout challenges. Celebrity workout challenges are all about famous personalities sharing their exercise routines and fitness goals with the world. These challenges often involve daily workouts, specific exercises, or a particular fitness regimen that a celebrity is following. What makes these challenges so appealing is the direct connection fans feel with their favorite celebrities. Seeing stars sweat and work hard towards their fitness goals motivates others to join in and try the challenges themselves. These challenges can include a wide variety of workouts, from cardio to strength training, yoga to HIIT, and even more unique or creative exercises that blend multiple fitness modalities. Popular celebrity workout challenges. Some celebrities have become synonymous with specific workout challenges. Let's take a look at a few popular ones. This celebrity is known for their intense bodyweight circuit training. Their challenge focuses on high-intensity intervals that target all major muscle groups, providing a full-body workout that helps improve cardiovascular endurance and build strength. This musician's workout challenge combines dance and cardio, encouraging participants to move to the beat while getting their heart rate up. The challenge is both fun and effective for burning calories and improving flexibility. This athlete's challenge emphasizes strength training and athletic conditioning. By incorporating exercises used in professional sports, participants can improve their overall fitness and performance. This challenge can also help enhance speed, agility, and power. In addition to actors and musicians, fitness influencers have also become known for their own workout challenges. These challenges often integrate diverse exercises, such as Pilates, Bari, and yoga, offering a variety of workouts that cater to different fitness levels and goals. The impact of celebrity workout challenges can be seen all over social media. Fans eagerly share their progress, workout tips, and before and after photos. This creates a sense of community and accountability as people cheer each other on and share their experiences. Fitness influencers also play a key role in amplifying the popularity of these challenges. By trying out the workouts themselves and sharing their insights, they help bridge the gap between celebrities and the general public, making the challenges more accessible and relatable to people of all backgrounds. Moreover, celebrity workout challenges offer a fresh and entertaining approach to exercise, attracting people who may have otherwise found traditional workouts monotonous. They also encourage healthy lifestyle changes, such as adopting balanced diets and staying consistent with fitness routines. Like any fitness trend, celebrity workout challenges come with their own set of pros and cons. Let's break them down. Pros. Motivation. Celebrity challenges can motivate people to start or maintain a fitness routine. Variety. These challenges often introduce new exercises and routines that keep workouts fresh and exciting. Community. Sharing experiences online fosters a supportive community of fitness enthusiasts. Accessibility. Many of these challenges can be done at home with minimal equipment, making fitness more accessible to everyone. Cons. Injuries. Some challenges may push participants too hard, leading to potential injuries if not done safely. One size fits all. Not every challenge is suitable for everyone, as fitness levels and goals vary. It's important to adapt challenges to your own abilities and needs. Overhype. The influence of celebrities may lead to unrealistic expectations and overhype certain fitness programs, creating pressure to achieve results quickly. As long as you stay mindful of your own abilities and take the necessary precautions, participating in celebrity workout challenges can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any celebrity workout challenges and what you think about them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.